Hello, hello. Happy Friday. Oh, I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm like sitting here in this traffic. This ATL traffic is completely crazy. Completely. So basically, I decided I want to start this whole vlogging thing, right? And just see how I like it. So we're gonna see. Yeah, let me know. I don't really do anything though, so it's like, why vlog, Brittany? You're a homebody. Like, you sit at home for fun and watch movies on Netflix and stuff your face with food and brownies and cakes and cookies. Like, people don't want to see that, but I guess I do get out sometimes. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this whole vlogging thing and see how I like it and how y'all like it. If y'all like it and I like it, then we in there like swimwear. So in other news, I ordered some clothes off of Fashion Nova and they have been delivered and I'm amped. I'm so excited to try these clothes on because, like, from what people say, like, these jeans, I got 2 pairs of jeans and I got a jacket and I got 2 dresses and I got like a little crop top shirt and I got, what else? I got like these little dress pants. And I'm really excited to try these clothes on, especially the pants, because the way people be talking, like, these pants are about to be lit. Like, these pants about to have me on fleek, honey. So we gonna see. I'm gonna try them on when I get home, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got, because I got like some really dope stuff. And I got this really cute dress. It's like this bronzy, like, yeah, it's like a bronze, like, it's not burnt orange. It's more of like a bronze, like, topaz color. And it's like shimmery and it crisscrosses in the back. I love things, like, I love ripped jeans and dresses that, like, or shirts that have, like, some back action. I'm just, you know, I'm all about the back action. So, yeah, I'm thinking of wearing it for my birthday. If it fits good and if it looks cute. This balloon is just really back here, just really doing its own thing. I don't know. So yeah, basically that's gonna be the birthday outfit if it comes out really cute. So we're gonna see. So when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys the cute clothes I got because I'm super stoked. I'm super stoked. I'm so excited. Like, I've never ordered clothes off Fashion Nova before. I was a little nervous because I got them on a sale and I wasn't, you know, when you buying clothes offline, you don't really know what the quality is like. So I was kind of nervous about the quality of the clothes, but they look really good. Like, they look like they have a good quality and they weren't that expensive, and I had a coupon. I'm all about the savings. So we lit. We lit. So we're gonna see. So when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, so you guys can see, because they're pretty dope. And I'm probably gonna do a like a lookbook or a haul. I didn't get that many things. I think I got like 7 or 8 things. I want to say 7. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I got like 7 things. So it's not like a lot, but I still want you guys to see. So I'm probably going to do a separate video and do like a haul. So you're going to have to stay tuned and watch, look out for that. It's a lot going on in these ATL streets today. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's because it's Friday or what's going on, but it's a lot going on in these streets. So I'm really about to stop vlogging and driving, because really you should not be vlogging and driving or snapping and driving, none of that. Yeah, so we will see. But yeah, I just wanted to come live to you guys with this vlog. So I'm finally home. And I wanted to show y'all real quick what I got from Fashion Nova. I was going to take everything out because they came in like these bags. So I was going to take them out, but I think I'm just going to show you guys what I got. And then when you watch my other video, you'll get to see like full length, full real deal, real spill. So you'll have to watch the other video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's see what I got. So I got this crop top. It's just like a white crop top. And it's supposed to have like some lining on the sleeves. Yeah. I think I see it. It has like gray lining. So, but it's just like a basic white crop top. I love crop tops, so got that. And then this is the dress I was talking about. Like, do y'all see this color? Am I the only one that's like excited about this? Like, this is so beautiful to me. And this is what I was talking about, where it crosses in the back. You can't really see it because it's in this packaging. So make sure you watch this other video. But I got that. And then I got like just some boyfriend jeans. And these are really cute. Like on the picture, they have like, they're ripped jeans. And in between the rips, they have like these cute little like tribal bands. And just different color bands. They're really cute. And I have like an obsession with ripped jeans. So. And another pair of ripped jeans, but I got these in white because I have no white jeans at all. So, excited about these. And I got this dress, which is pretty cute. It's like a faux suede type of material. And it has like the little, not lace, but y'all get my drift. This stuff down. Going down the whole thing, and then it has like some pockets on it. It kind of reminds me of like a military type style, but it's pretty cute. And then I got these burgundy wine color like dress pants, which I was thinking I could wear these for work, but they might be kind of tight, so I might be saving these for like a club thing. I got a jacket. Which I'll just show you guys the whole jacket because I already took it out. But it's just like a army green jacket, and it has like the double pockets. So it has the 2 pockets up here, and then it has the 2 pockets at the bottom. And it's not like too heavy and it's not too light. It's a good fall jacket. And then on the back, it has like a skull and roses, which I'm not a big fan of skulls, but this kind of reminded me of the, what do they call it? I can't think of the word, but it's the, oh, dang. This is gonna bug me, y'all. It's like a celebration. Dang. I cannot think of what this is called. It's like a celebration. It's like a celebration of the dead. And it's what like Hispanics and Latinos celebrate. So this kind of reminded me of this. And I feel like artwork, when it's pertaining to that, dealing with skulls, I think is so beautiful. So I thought this was really cute. So I got this jacket. And yeah, that's about it. So be looking out for the video where I try on all of these cute things. It's going to be pretty bomb. I'm really excited about these jeans to see how they fit. I didn't get the butt lifting ones, though, although those sound like real interesting. I skipped those this time, but yeah, those are the things that I got, and I'm really excited because they came just in time for my trip. So yes, stay tuned for that video. The dome looks pretty. So I'm at the Hawks game. Oh my gosh. I'm glad. I'm glad she didn't throw that at me. That one hit me in the face. Say hello. You're gonna be on YouTube. This is the pre-payment. Okay, we are in the clubhouse and this joint is noise. I keep forgetting to say Snapchat and I can't just flip it.
Superstars feeling like a pop star.
Shoot.